Not every travel destination means relaxing on white sand beaches or exploring ancient town. Some travel destination may be famous for crime, weather, disease, or maybe corruption. And some are riskier countries, and they are considered as the riskier locations for tourists. So in this video, we'll be talking about 5 dangerous places for tourists to visit. Death Valley, USA. Death Valley is the point of lowest elevation in North America. At 282 feet below sea level, it is the highest point in the contiguous United States, with an elevation of 14,505 feet. On the afternoon of July 10, 1913, the United States Weather Bureau recorded a high temperature of 134 degrees, which is around 56.7 degrees Celsius. In Death Valley, which stands at the highest ambient air temperature ever recorded at the surface on the earth, this reading, however, and several other taken in that period a century ago, is a dispute by some modern experts also, but it is considered the dangerous place in USA. The Danakil Desert. Danakil in Ethiopia is one of these places on earth where your common sense says don't go, but your adventurous human nature urges you to pack your bag and make your way as soon as possible. There is a ghost town of Dalol is built from the salt blocks and situated near the southern end of Red Sea at the northernmost extension of the Great Rift Valley. The place is far below the sea level. At some points, it goes nearly 120 meters below the sea level. It is known as the gateway to hell, and there is a reason why. The average temperature, which is around 35 degrees Celsius. Mount Washington, USA. There is no surprise. Most are due to hypothermia. And not only in winter, they call them the White Mountains for a reason, says Lieutenant Todd, SAR team leader for New Hampshire Fish and Game Department. The mountain is notorious for its erratic weather. On the afternoon of April 12, 1934, it recorded a wind speed of 231 miles per hour at the summit, the world record from 1934 until 1996. Mount Washington still holds the record for highest measured wind speed, not associated with a tornado or a tropical cyclone. Snake Island, Brazil. It is illegal for anyone to visit this place. The danger on the island comes in the form of a golden lance head snakes, a species of pit viper and one of the deadliest serpents in the world. It is also known as the world's most dangerous island. The island is the only home of the critically endangered venomous snakes, which are a diet of birds. These snakes become trapped on the island when rising sea levels covered up this land that connected it to the mainland. The ensuing selection pressure allowed the snake to adapt to their new environment, increasing rapidly in population and rendering the island dangerous to public visitation. Elephant Kingdom, Thailand. Even though with the name Elephant Kingdom, you might think that this is an animal park where elephants can be seen or protected, but that's not true. It is completely different. Elephant Kingdom is a breeding place for wild crocodiles, and tourists can recreation freely to lure them in their natural habitat. It houses a deadly crocodile farm where the owner rents out tiny semi-covered rafts for visitors to get up close and personal with crocodiles. Using a specifically designed wooden boat with steps to make it easier to ride, tourists can enter up to about 15 people on the simple boat. There are around 4,008 savage crocodiles living in Elephant Kingdom captivity. But for the fishing location, the crocodiles only number around thousands. The dangerous crocodile encounters also include feeding the crocodiles from the close quarters. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.